The Berne Heritage Insulated Duck Bib Overall is engineered for those who require rugged, reliable workwear for tough conditions on the job site, around the shop, or on the farm. This overall is a fusion of classic design and modern functionality, designed to keep you warm, dry, and comfortable. Crafted from a durable 10-ounce 100% cotton duck shell. It features a medium-weight insulation quilted to polyester taffeta lining, ensuring warmth in harsh conditions. The water-repellent finish and an insulated high back enhance protection against the elements. Storage is abundant and robust, with double inside chest pockets, 2 swing pockets, 2 reinforced back pockets, 1 with a brass zipper, side utility pockets, and a hammer loop. All designed to provide secure and accessible storage for your tools and essentials. For durability, the bib overall is constructed with triple needle stitched main seams, reinforced knees, and a heavy-duty nylon leg hem, which are built to withstand the rigors of demanding physical work. The 4-needle stitched waistband with elastic inserts, along with adjustable elasticized bib straps and leg snaps, offer a customizable fit that enhances comfort and mobility. The inclusion of a heavy-duty brass 2-way front zipper and brass leg zippers with snap closure at the hand opening ensures long-lasting wear and easy on and off functionality. The Berne Heritage Insulated Duck Bib Overall is not just a piece of clothing. It's an essential tool for anyone facing the demanding challenges of physical work in tough environments.